GP05V20V30W dual USB port car charger GAN, USB-C PD GAN fast charger for desktop laptop. AC input 100 to 40 V. Output voltage is 5 to 20 volt. Power is max 30 W dual USB port car charger GAN at customized safety standard according to your demand. UK Type-C plus USB wall-mounted fast charger can be applied to Lotto PS, tablet, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, smartphone, compatible Samsung Mobile, Apple iPhone, and it can be used in at AC 100V 230V. Safety protection include short circuit protection, OVP, OTP, OLP, OCP, other, overcharging, overcurrent, overvoltage.